Promobot is a unique humanoid robot. It moves autonomously, recognizes faces and speech, communicates with people, and connects to external services and devices. The Promobot robot now also helps to monitor health. Thanks to its built-in devices, anyone can measure their blood sugar and blood pressure level at any time. The robot also has preventive benefits, alerting you if health risks are present before it is too late. According to the World Health Organization, 80% of premature heart attacks and strokes can be prevented. Promobot is able to conduct an examination. It measures blood pressure and pulse and assesses the risk of cardiovascular disease. Based on the results, it gives recommendations on how to take care of your heart. Sugar level monitoring is critical for patients with diabetes. With the help of the robot, the measurement can be carried out in any public place. A non-invasive blood glucose meter measures blood sugar without any puncture and is therefore an affordable, safe, and hygienic method of measurement. The robot measures the level, evaluates it, and gives recommendations for its normalization if necessary. Anyone can have their blood pressure and pulse checked and receive a recommendation if normalization is necessary. How saturated with oxygen is your blood? A pulse oximeter is connected to the robot. It will allow you to test the current level of oxygen in your blood and see a doctor in time if anything is wrong. Do you cough often? Do you have shortness of breath even after a little exercise? If you also smoke, then be sure to go through spirography. The robot will assess how your respiratory system is doing and give recommendations on how to take care of it. In the robot's left palm, there is a thermometer. It is able to measure your body temperature by placing its hand against your forehead. The robot is equipped with an automatic portable defibrillator. The use of these devices saves hundreds of lives every year. The Promobot robot is the most reliable employee. It doesn't go out for lunch or a break, it doesn't get sick, and it doesn't go on vacation. It can work full-time, and when the charge is running out, it will go to a charging station. In its complete set, any other device could be added that, in your opinion, even more effectively helps to carry out prevention. The robot can be placed in a medical facility or in any other public place.